Some Samsung Galaxy device owners have experienced lagging issue on their phones and tablets after updating to new Android version. While this is definitely not due to bad Android version, it can be a trigger in many devices. Android updates can make software changes that may render apps, settings, or configurations problematic all of a sudden. Since Android software is a complicated environment, there's no single way to prevent problems across thousands of different Android devices at once. Troubleshooting a slow or lagging Samsung Galaxy device. You need to follow a set of steps in order to identify the cause of the problem. Here's how. First, erase system cache. Samsung devices use a special set of temporary files called system cache in order to run apps quickly. These files are stored in a portion of internal storage device called cache partition. Sometimes a major software update may corrupt the system cache, which can result to problems. If you notice that your Samsung phone or tablet started lagging after installing an update, a bad system cache may be the cause. To ensure that the system cache is always in top shape, it's recommended that you refresh it from time to time. Next, check for overheating. Is your Samsung phone or tablet becoming uncomfortably warm while at the same time slowing down or lagging? If yes, it's most likely overheating. Both lag or being slow and overheating usually go hand in hand and suggests that there's either a software problem or a hardware malfunction in a device. The best fix that you can try if both lagging and overheating are observed in a device is factory reset. If the cause of the overheating problem is software related, a factory reset is a good solution. Keep apps and software up to date is a simple way to prevent bugs and at times fix known problems. Make sure that you manually check Google Play Store for update to your apps. Just as important as updating apps is making sure that the software runs its latest version. Be sure to manually check for a software update by going under Settings, then Software Update. Next, check for broken third-party apps or malware. Some poorly built apps may not work properly in some Samsung devices and cause problems. If your Samsung phone or tablet started lagging after installing an app, you can use a diagnostic tool called Safe Mode to check. When on safe mode, all third-party apps are grayed out and blocked from running by the system. This means that only the pre-installed apps that came with the software can be opened. If your Samsung runs normally without lagging on safe mode, you can assume that one of the third-party apps is behind the trouble. Next, reset settings to default. You should consider wiping your device with factory reset if none of the suggestions in this video work. Factory reset or master reset is a helpful way to bring back all software settings to their known working state. Factory defaults in one stroke. Just make sure to create a backup of your irreplaceable files and data before doing it. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.